Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry oil updated. Begin by warming the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off. Secure the car with jack stands on level ground, remove the drain plug, and let oil drain fully. Replace the oil filter, reinstall the plug, refill with the correct oil amount, check the dipstick, and clean up spills before lowering the vehicle. Gather all tools and supplies so the job runs smoothly and safely. Confirm the oil grade and filter part number for your engine before lifting the car. Use a drain pan that holds at least 1 extra quart and wear gloves to protect your hands. Keep rags handy to wipe spills and a torque wrench to tighten the drain plug to manufacturer specs. Dispose of old oil responsibly at a recycling center. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here for music, timers, and hands-free help while you work. I placed a link and deals in the description so you can find the product easily. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Loosen the oil filler cap to relieve vacuum, then lift the vehicle and secure it. Place the drain pan, remove the drain plug, and let the oil drain until it slows to a drip. Remove the old filter, lightly oil the new gasket, and thread it until hand-tight plus a quarter turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, refill with the specified oil amount, run briefly, then recheck the dipstick and clean up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.